update on the 1500 Chevy budget paint job. We pretty well got the tailgate done. I sprayed the tailgate and the hood separate at a different time than the whole truck because I can get up in it and hit the roof better. And I actually sprayed the tailgate today as I'm making this video. Got a little dust nib right there, hit a buff out. It's sprayed with the eye water. Now it's still kind of tacky. You know, you can pack it and stuff if you pack it from under here, but as I said before, the tailgate's turned out great. Got a little dust nib here and there when I cut and buff. Has no orange peel. If you look at it, it disappears. That's shot with the eye water. But I sprayed that separate so I can get up in the truck a lot easier to spray the roof. And it's black. It's an all over paint job, so no blending or anything. The hood turned out just as good. I'll show you that. This is the hood. It's sprayed with the same gun. It's eye water. I got a dust nib or two. If you paint, you know you're gonna get dust. It's a given. It's easy to deal with if you know what to do. But the hood is looking great. As you can see, the hood is just as smooth. So that's a quick update on it. You know, let me know in the comment section what you think about this. I didn't shoot this, you know, part of me painting this. I just wanted to give you and show you an update of the tailgate done and the hood done. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. If you enjoyed this series, I bring you more details on how to paint and stuff coming videos. This is more of a just keeping you up to date video. So hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. If you do, drop a like, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.